Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video to show you how to enter a Zoom meeting and how we will access information on Google Classroom this year. So, upon logging into your Chromebook, it'll bring you to your desktop screen, which should look familiar. We have added one new app though. You should have the Zoom app on your desktop screen. If you don't, please email me. So you will click on that Zoom app in order to join a meeting. Okay, and then it's going to ask if you want to join or if you want to sign in. To begin, we're going to just join a meeting. After clicking on that, it's going to ask you to enter a meeting ID. In order to type the meeting ID in, we are going to need to get on our Google Classroom page. So I'm going to exit out of this real quick. Okay, when we open up our Internet tab here, you're going to go up in the top right-hand corner. Up in this icon, you should see your Google account. It may have your initials, or if you have a picture for your Google account, then it'll be in that top right corner. You're going to click on the 9 dots right here, and that's going to open up all of your Google apps. So we're going to scroll down, and yours should have less than mine, but if you scroll all the way down, we should see Classroom. So when we click on Classroom, it's going to show you all the classrooms that you've been added to. For today's meeting, you're going to click on Hanson Math. Now, if you're in my homeroom class and you go to Google Classroom, you'll see that I have invited you to a Zoom meeting on April 6th at 10 o'clock. And down here at the bottom, it says Meeting ID. Okay, so we're going to use that meeting ID in order to join our Zoom meeting. So I'm going to minimize this tab. I'm going to open Zoom again. I'll click Join a Meeting. Now I'm going to type in our meeting ID. So I have 249-276-876. And the spaces and the dashes will be put in automatically, so you don't have to worry about entering those. Remember that we want to be able to hear your voice and see your face, so don't click on these boxes. And then you would go ahead and click Join. Now, if I click Join on this one, it'll tell me to come back at a later date because it's obviously not until Monday morning. So, hopefully this video has been helpful. If you're not sure or you still need assistance in opening the Zoom app, please feel free to send me an email and we'll figure it out. I look forward to talking with you guys, and I hope you're doing well.